Welcome back to Do You Want a Chance to Become a Millionaire? Math Edition. Today we have an individual named Josue. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Great. So you're on the verge of winning $1 million. How does that feel?
Nerve-wracking if I were to say so myself.
Don't worry, all that you will have to do is answer these 4 math-related questions. Today is a special day, which means all of the questions that we will be answering will be related to spheres.
Dang it.
This first question is worth $100,000, but don't worry, it is an insanely easy question. You must find the surface area of this globe in inches. The given dimensions that we have is that the diameter of the globe is 8 inches. Make sure to round to the nearest tenth, and also pull out your supplies. To find the surface area of a sphere, you must use the formula 4 pi r squared. To figure out this problem, you must use the given dimensions of 8 inches of the diameter. This formula needs radius, so you must split the diameter in half in order to get the radius. The radius of this question is 4. To plug this into the formula, you would get 4 pi parentheses 4 parentheses squared. With the help of a calculator, you must square the 4, times it by pi, and then you multiply it by 4. Then you get the surface area of
I have my answer.
Are you sure? Remember, you have $100,000 on the line right now.
The answer I got is 201.1 inches.
Correct. Nice job.
Bravo!
Our next question is worth $200,000, but this one is a little different. Instead of the surface area, we'll be asking you to find the volume of this sphere. The given dimensions we will give you is that the radius is 23 centimeters. Remember, round to the nearest hundredth. You will have 2 minutes and 30 seconds to get this question done. Your time starts now.
To find the volume of a sphere, you must use the formula 4 pi r cubed over 3. Since we have the radius, this will be an easy question. Since all you have to do is plug in the formula. First, cube 23, times it by pi, times it again by 4, then divide by 3. Then you get the answer of I have my final answer.
This is your chance at $200,000. What answer did you get?
I got 50,965.01 centimeters.
That's correct. That's $300,000 in your wallet.
Easy money.
Good job on the last question. But now we are increasing the difficulty of this question. You'll have to find the radius from the circumference of this sphere to find both the volume and the surface area. This question is worth $300,000.
Circumference, really? Wait, I have to find just the radius from the circumference? Oh, easy.
The dimensions we will give you is that the circumference is 40 centimeters. You will have 4 minutes to solve this question. Your time starts now. To find the radius from the circumference is easy. Since finding the circumference formula is 2 pi r, you will just break down and divide the formula to get the radius. 40 equals 2 pi r. First, you would times 2 and pi, and divide both sides by 6.28. Then you get the radius, which is about 6.37. Then you would proceed plugging it into the volume and surface area formulas.
I got it.
So close to hitting the 4-minute mark. Nice job. Please tell us your answer.
So for my volume, I got 1,082.7 centimeters, and for the surface area, I got 509.9 centimeters.
You're doing great. That's $600,000. Final question. This one will be a little bit harder. This question is worth $400,000 and a brand new kitchen dining set. You will have to find the volume of this bowl. Here are the given dimensions. You must round to the nearest tenth. You'll have to find the volume of this bowl. Here are the given dimensions.
This question is going to be a little tougher. We will have to find the volume of a bowl. What we want to do is figure out both sphere volumes. The outside half sphere has 9 centimeters of radius, and the inside half sphere has 8 centimeters of radius. So if we plug those into each formula volume for the outside sphere, we should get $3,053.63 centimeters for the outside half sphere, and $2,144.66 centimeters for the inside half sphere. We subtract 2,144.66 from 3,053.63 since the inside sphere is the empty part of the bowl. And we divide it by 2 since the bowl is half of a sphere. Then the answer is
Go.
I have my final answer.
Remember, you are just a smidge away from winning $1 million. What was your final answer?
My final answer is 454.5 centimeters.
Oh, I'm sorry. You won $1 million! Yes! Jesus Christ! Yes! I won! Congratulations! What are you first planning on doing with your money?
Going to Hawaii.
What are you gonna do with the rest of your stuff?
Just deliver it to my boy.
Well, that's all for today, folks. Catch us again on another episode of Chance to Become a Millionaire, Math Edition. It is a special day. They all will be wrote. This first question is worth $100,000. But is it?
Go.
No, we already did that part.
Yeah.
Oh. This question is worth $400,000.